Let us continue the lesson. Difficult words. Scrub, rub. Don't use facial scrubs if your skin is sensitive. Stalk, hunting. A cat is stalking a bird. Frenzied, widely excited. The man was stabbed to death in a frenzied attack. Villainous, wicked criminal behavior. He was neither heroic nor villainous. He was simply excellent. Compartment, a separate section. The train has many compartments. Opportunity, chance. We should take advantage of the opportunity. Accompany, go with. She will accompany me to the store. Crouched, it's a position of sitting. The cat crouched and is ready to leap. Smacked, hit. The police smacked the thief in the prison. Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. Paws means is nothing but tiger's feet. As we know, Timothy belongs to the cat's family. Children, how will be the cats clean their entire body with their paws? In the same manner, Timothy also he scrubbed his entire body with help of paws. He slept at night in the cook's quarters and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. Where did Timothy sleep? Timothy slept at night in cook's quarters, and in the morning he was very delighted or very fresh because the cook Muhammad he untied him. One of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Muhammad's bed and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. One of the coming days, Timothy will be sitting on Muhammad's bed and there is no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes. These lines told by grandmother in her prophetic manner. Prophetic manner means telling something about the future. Of course, it never came to that. Still, it had not happened. But when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. When Timothy was 6 months old, he became less friendly. When he was a cub, he wants companion or friends. Now he grew less friendly. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet pecknies. When Timothy he went for a walk, he tries to steal or stalk a cat or someone's pet pecknies. Pet pecknies means pet dogs. Sometimes at night we would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. During the night time we can hear the strange sound from the poultry house. And in the morning, we can see feathers lying all over the veranda. But there is no chickens. We can see only the feathers. Poultry house means where we rear chickens. Timothy had to be chained up more often. And finally, when he began to stalk Muhammad about the house with what looked like villainous intent, grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to a zoo. As we can see, Timothy being chained more often, again and again. How did you know? Because this Timothy used to stalk Muhammad all over the house. These changes made him grandfather transfer this Timothy to the zoo. Here, villainous means Timothy looked like a villain in this paragraph. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow, 200 miles away, reserving a first-class compartment for himself and Timothy. No one would share a compartment with them. Here, grandfather decided transfer Timothy to the zoo. Grandfather, he reserved a separate compartment for himself and the Timothy, because Timothy, he is a tiger. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. When grandfather he took Timothy to the zoo, there zoo authorities were very happy or glad because they received as a gift as Timothy. What type of tiger it is? It's a well-fed and civilized tiger. Civilized means this Timothy, it had grown up in the house. It had some good manners. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, after 6 months, grandparents decided to visited relatives in Lucknow. Grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. Grandfather, he took opportunity or chance, called the zoo to see how Timothy will be there in the zoo. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when he returned to Dehra. The author did not accompany with the grandfather when he left Timothy to the zoo, but he heard all about the Timothy when he returned to Dehra. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interred. Grandfather, when he reached the zoo, he went straight to the particular cage where the Timothy had been interred. Interred means inside the cage. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. How did tiger looks like in the cage? He was there and he was crouched or sat in the corner, and it's a full grown and it looks like very beautiful to the magnificent striped coat. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. The tiger also, he came near the cage and allowed the grandfather put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears, and whenever he growled or smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. And what did the grandfather do? Grandfather, he stroked the Timothy's forehead and tickled his ears. Here when Timothy he makes a sound or growl, what did the grandfather do? He smacked. Smacked means hit. He smacked the Timothy. That is the old way of keeping Timothy quiet. We will continue this story in next video. Thank you.